Hi everyone, my name is Meena and welcome to What's Your Hobby?
Dear kids, in this episode we are going to learn about climate change and why it is so scary. So, this video is meant to introduce you to the following concepts. What is climate change? Why is climate change so scary? What causes climate change? And what are the solutions and what little things can we do to help? What is climate change? Let's first answer this question. Climate change can be defined as very significant changes in the average weather pattern of a place. And this change is assessed over years and then concluded as climate change. The next question we need to answer is this. Why do we need to take immediate actions to reverse climate change? So, climate change does not spare any country or anybody. The weather patterns of a place become extreme, which in turn affects the economy of that place, the quality of life of the people. The water we drink and the air that we breathe are all getting compromised due to climate change. And it is not just the humans who are affected. The ecosystem itself gets drastically affected by climate change. The flora and fauna adapted to certain climates might fail to adapt to these severe changes. The aftermath of climate change are experienced by us in the forms of increased heat, air pollution, water pollution, more frequent and intense droughts and floods, and wildfires, and many more such similar examples. So, in conclusion, the climate change has a wide range of effects like extreme weather conditions, polluted water and air, rising sea levels, more acidic oceans, damage to ecosystems, to name a few. Now, what are the causes behind climate change? There are primarily two major drivers of climate change: human activities and natural occurrences. Some gases in the atmosphere trap the reflected heat from the Earth's surface and thus prevents its escape from Earth's atmosphere. This in turn increases the temperature of Earth, resulting in global warming. This increased temperature then causes and fuels climate change. The factors responsible for this are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, and some artificial chemicals such as chlorofluorocarbons, otherwise known as CFCs. These gases are called as greenhouse gases, and the trapping of the heat by these gases is called the greenhouse effect. Burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, usage of fluorinated gases are some examples of the human activities that end up driving climate change. Some natural factors that cause climate change are wildfires and volcanic eruptions. Such occurrences release tremendous amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. So, what are the solutions to this, and what are the little things that we can do to help? The first and the most important step is to spread awareness among people and kids and to encourage them to do their parts. When it comes to the topic of energy, we need to switch to renewable energies and increase energy efficiency as well. Our activities should be environment conscious. Even small steps like recycling, upcycling, using reusable products, reducing wastage and reducing energy wastage, kids too can help. Try reducing waste at your homes. Learn how to recycle and upcycle. Plant trees at your homes. Switch off unwanted lights and fans and other electronics. Try walking or cycling instead of using motor vehicles. And these are some of the little ways in which you can help reverse climate change. So, you can also help to save our planet. I hope that you all loved this video. See you all in a new session. Till then, take care and keep watching What's Your Hobby?